We told you at the top of the hour about Governor Snyder signing legislation today that requires insurance companies to offer coverage for autism treatments. It's been a long time coming, as past bills to mandate insurance coverage have failed in Michigan. Taking it further and joining us now in studio for more on what this means for folks with autism and their families, Dr. Mohan Krishnan, Medical Director and Executive Director of Hope Network's Center for Autism. Thank you for coming in tonight. We appreciate your insight on this. First off, this bill, the legislation, long time coming, something that was much needed. What's your take on this?
Yeah, states have already done this, and so we're really excited this is finally happening in Michigan. On the other hand, we've had a chance to learn some things from them, so we hope that we get this right.
Doctor, if I'm a parent and I fear that my child may have autism, and I know and I hear this news today, where do I go? Where do I start?
The first thing to know is that there will be a delay between this legislation being signed today and the availability of the treatments, which we think will be available in the fall. There are two things that parents can do right now. One is to talk to their insurance companies, find out more about documentation requirements and how getting authorization for these services will happen in the fall. The other thing that families can do right now is talk to their family doctor or their pediatrician. If their kids have not had a comprehensive workup by psychologist like myself or a specialty physician, then families may want to try to get that set up. That kind of practitioner would help them come up with a comprehensive plan for what kinds of treatments are needed and make sure that all the needs of the child are being met.
We know that intervention, especially when a child is young, is so critical in getting the right kind of treatment for kids with autism. Do you expect parents to be inclined now, more inclined to seek treatment out because of this new provision?
We hope so. I think if you look back over the past several years, knowledge about autism has improved dramatically in the community. There's still people who are not aware of autism. We want to make sure that parents know what is available and what can be done for their children. So even with this legislation coming online, it'll be very important to continue to do outreach and advocacy in the community.
Do you think we're turning a corner as far as society recognizing the kind of issue that autism is becoming? Because it seems like the cases are becoming more prevalent, or at least the diagnoses are becoming more accurate.
Yeah, I think that we've learned a lot. And the good news is that there are so many things we can do today that weren't available in the past. And I think if you look forward 10 years, you'll see some really exciting things, both the things that these kids will be doing as they benefit from the therapies, but also new treatments and new things we'll have for them.
Dr. Mohan Krishnan, Medical Director and Executive Director of Hope Network's Center for Autism. Doctor, thanks for coming in tonight.
Absolutely.